Greetings, YouTube! Today's topic shines a light on an often neglected area of fitness, weight gain. While the limelight often falls on weight loss, there are indeed individuals who grapple with packing on healthy pounds. But worry not, because this video will guide you through effective home exercises to assist with weight gain, aided by 3D animations for a clearer understanding and execution. The first step is to prime your muscles with a warm-up to avoid injuries. Engage in dynamic stretches like arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists to stimulate blood circulation and ready your body for the forthcoming workout. Squats are an essential compound exercise that targets an array of muscle groups, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. Squats, when done with the correct form, can effectively stimulate muscle mass growth in your lower body. Our 3D animation will guide you through the correct stance and movement pattern to maximize gains while minimizing the risk of injury. Lunges are another fantastic muscle mass builder for your legs and glutes. Whether you opt for forward lunges, reverse lunges, or side lunges, this exercise will strengthen your lower body and enhance your balance and stability. Our 3D animation will illustrate the proper form and variations to effectively target different muscle groups. Push-ups are a timeless bodyweight exercise that works on your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. While they're commonly associated with building upper body strength, push-ups can also stimulate muscle growth when performed correctly. Our 3D animation will guide you through the proper technique to ensure maximum muscle activation and gains. For targeting your back muscles and enhancing overall upper body strength, dumbbell rows are an excellent choice. This exercise develops your lats, rhomboids, and traps, leading to a wider and more defined back. Our 3D animation will illustrate how to perform dumbbell rows with the correct form to prevent injury and maximize muscle engagement. Alongside exercise, nutrition plays a pivotal role in weight gain. Ensure to consume a calorie surplus by incorporating nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats into your diet. Our nutrition tips will help you properly fuel your body to support muscle growth and recovery. Although gaining weight may seem daunting, it is achievable with the right exercises and nutrition. By incorporating these home exercises into your routine and adhering to our 3D animation for proper form, you'll be on your way to a stronger, healthier, and more muscular physique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and tutorials. Thanks for tuning in.